Go. 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 All right, all right. Set up again.
Ain't nobody out here in this rain, Tony.
They gotta be crazy. You must be trying to be a professional, okay? And go. There you go. Look good, look good, look good. Another one?
Nah.
Okay. And go.
Defensive line drill on the end.
And get it. Uh-huh.
Pure strength and power, baby.
Get it.
Driving them back.
Get it.
Up on the line.
Get it. Go ahead and get it.
Up on the line. Defense is my home.
Go.
Brute force, baby.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Get it. Uh-huh. Swim drill. Go. Mm-hmm. And go. Uh-huh. How about that one? Okay. Okay. All right, Joe.
All right.
That other one. The up and under. Okay, go. Uh-huh. Be a ghost. Go. Uh-huh, be a ghost. Go. Uh-huh. All right.
Come on, baby.
Okay, go ahead.
Some people don't train in the rain. In the weather, they gonna be games in the rain.
Situational training, man. That's what it's called.
They don't train hard. We out here every day. If you can match it, hey, show me. I don't stop. Diesel engine. We keep on turning.
That's right.
So what is rain? I don't care.
That's
So
right.
what is Easter? We thank God for Jesus for rising again.
All right.
But he gave us life so we might have it more abundantly. So I must train. This here my sanctuary. Right here, baby.
That's right.
This how I give thanks.
Let's go give it. Let's go get it. Go crazy. Do what your opponent is not willing to do.
LB, press the line.
Okay, and
Checking the run.
okay, go. All right. Go.
Checking the run.
Go.
Run, run, run!
Go get it.
Checking the run.
Go get it.
Run, run, run!
Mm-hmm.
Checking the run.
Uh-huh.
Checking the run. Read it. Run, run, run! It's my home, baby.
Go get it.
Run, run, run.
Get it.
Watch, run, run!
And
Run, run, run! Check and run, check and run. Run first. Run, run, run!
all right, all right, all right.